Introduce highlight features and read reviews that most people are talking of. YANTU Car Vacuum Cleaner High Power 6000 PA Mini Handheld Portable Corded Small Vacuum. You can find wanted at here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. Best car vacuum makes cleaning a breeze. We provide an extra free flat brush for seat gap, liquid, and brush nozzle for air conditioner outlet, pet hairs. Everything you found in the market, we also provided. If you are looking for a light mini portable handheld vacuum, look no further. Get your professional car interior cleaner here. Press the power button for 0.5 seconds to start the machine, which can prevent the wrong press to start the machine directly. The 14.8 feet corded car vacuum with lasting high power is easy to clean from the front to the rear of your car. You can use it whenever and wherever you want for your car. What a great helper for vacation! Benefit by high precision curved fan blades and DC motor. This mini vacuum for car provides stable 100-watt high-power 6000 PA suction, 500 liters per minute airflow and 33,000 round per minute rotating speed, * data from laboratory. Besides, with a smaller suction port than others, this portable vacuum provides stronger concentrated airflow. You will love it. Diameter in 3-inch super mini vacuum, only 1.5 pounds, make it easily reach to seat bottom, door gap, cup holder, or any hardest areas to reach. Our handheld vacuum cleaner weight 1 pound less than other in the market. You won't feel tired for long time using. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.